Hi, I'm Tony Moore from satellite.ie, and this is a short video to show you how to put up one of our small satellite dishes for the Astra 2 satellite.
To assemble your 60cm satellite dish, first place the large backplate on the dish. Insert the black coloured bolts from the front and tighten the nuts from the back. Repeat for all 4 bolts. To attach the LNB to the LNB arm, place it down from the top so it catches under the hook, and with gentle pressure clip it into place. Insert the plastic plug in the hole to secure it. Twist the LNB to the number 2 mark for the correct skew for Ireland. Fit the arm through the square hole at the bottom of the dish and secure with the long bolt. Insert both the U-shaped bolts before attaching the bracket to the dish. Now, using the washers, attach the bracket to the back plate using the large bolts. In Ireland, the correct elevation is around 24 degrees for the Astra 2 satellite. Before mounting the wall bracket, you should attach the 2 U-shaped bolts. When attached to the wall, you can use the U-shaped bolts to attach the pole to the wall bracket. But remember, when attaching it to the dish, you have the pole facing downwards so it is not filled with rainwater. Make sure all nuts and bolts are tightened securely, and remember to take all safety precautions when working at height or on a ladder. To set up your Ariva 120 combo high definition digital receiver, firstly, make sure the cable from your aerial is connected to the antenna in port. Also make sure the cable from the LNB on your satellite dish is connected to the LNB in port. Now make sure the master power switch at the back is switched on. Also make sure your device is not on standby as indicated by a red light at the front. Press the power button at the front to go to ready mode. You should see a green light. If you have a HD television, you must use a HDMI cable to connect to your receiver for HD quality on your TV. Use a SCART cable for a normal television. In Ireland, the Astra 2 satellite for free-to-air channels is at 28 degrees east of due south. If you're using a sat finder, connect the LNB in to the LNB and from the REC in to the receiver. The display will light up if you've done this correctly. To begin, turn the volume on the sat finder up to full. Begin to adjust left and right, waiting a moment each time to give the LNB a chance to connect to the satellite. If there is a satellite in range, the sat finder will make a high-pitched sound. Turn the volume down just enough so the tone stops. Repeat the process to fine-tune, making adjustments up and down, left and right, until you get the high-pitched tone again. Adjust the volume down again and fine-tune until you have the maximum quality level on the indoor receiver. To ensure you have the maximum quality signal, you should check it on your digital receiver. Choose Menu and use the right arrow to go to the Installation tab. Choose OK and use the down arrow to go to Antenna Setup, and choose OK. Use the right arrow to make sure you are on the Astra 2 satellite. You should continue to adjust the dish until you have the maximum signal intensity and signal quality. If you are getting a high-pitched tone on the sat finder, but still have no quality levels on the TV, or if you have quality levels but no picture, you have probably found the wrong satellite. The most likely one is Astra 1 at 19 degrees east, meaning you are 9 degrees to the right of where you should be, or Hotbird at 13 degrees east. Choose Exit several times to exit the menu screen. Choose OK to see a list of channels on Astra 2. Choosing the left and right buttons will allow you to switch between Irish digital TV and satellite stations. Remember to tighten all the nuts and bolts completely so your dish does not move in the wind. To tune in the Irish digital TV stations, go to the menu button on your remote control. Choose the right arrow button to go to the Installation tab. Choose OK and select the down arrow to go to Terrestrial Automatic Scan and choose OK. Use the right arrow button to go through the countries to get to Ireland. Use the down arrow and then the right arrow to choose Yes for FTA only for free-to-air channels. Choose the down arrow and OK to begin searching. Choose OK for Yes when you see Search End. Choose Exit a few times to leave the menu screen. Now choose OK to see a list of your Irish digital TV stations.